Clark's eye speculum also allows for adjusting of the width of the palpebral fissure. It is useful in cases requiring the exposure of a larger field of surgery like oculoplasty or strabismus. In addition, it does not have guards to keep the eyelashes away during surgery. It also has the disadvantage that it can create significant force on the eyelids, which may increase the rate of postoperative ptosis or other eyelid malpositions. This is a high-quality stainless steel instruments made from surgical-grade stainless steel and is handcrafted by highly trained instrument makers. Later the instrument is surface treated to give them the matte finish. It comes with an instruction manual which gives for cleaning, care, and storage of the instruments. All instruments conform with the surgical instrument guidelines by EU and FDA. The instruments are reusable and autoclave safe. I hope you liked the video. Feel free to share your views on this issue in the comment section. Check the description for similar videos and product links.